This video has been created to help you get started in setting up your DeLonghi portable air conditioner. Your air conditioner unit is heavy. Don't try to lift it out of the box. Instead, simply lift the box up over the unit. Next, check all the parts in the box. With just a few simple steps to follow, your air conditioner will provide you with complete comfort in no time. To set up without permanent installation, first place the unit next to the window or door you wish to fix the hose. Make sure the air intake and outlet grills are not obstructed. Screw the hose adapter onto the end of the exhaust hose if not already fitted and attached to the back of the appliance. Now, connect the window outlet to the other end of the hose. The hose can extend to 1.2 meters, which is just over 47 inches, and can be angled as necessary. Next, fit the window bracket. It can be fitted to double hung, sliding, and casement windows, or a sliding door when using the extension kit. To fit a double hung window, place the bracket in the windowsill horizontally and extend the bracket fully within the window frame. Fix the bracket by using the pin, then lower the window onto the bracket. Connect the window outlet on the hose to the slot in the window bracket. For sliding windows and doors, position the bracket vertically with a hole at the bottom, again extending as necessary to seal the gap. For casement windows, place the window outlet outside the window to expel the hot air. For optimal results, close the windows and doors in the room to be cooled. The air conditioner needs to expel the hot air outside when the machine is in air conditioning, heating, or dehumidifying mode, but not when in fan-only mode. Do not use the appliance in very damp rooms such as laundries. Close blinds and curtains to reduce exposure from the sun. This will help make the appliance run more economically. Do not obstruct the air intake or outlet grills, and never cover whilst in use. At the end of the season, drain the water from the unit by removing the cap on the back and allow the water to drain out into a bowl. For further information about our air conditioners, check out the customer support section on our website.